going straight that way.
Hey guys, it's Beth with Settlemire Nursery. We're out here today in Valdese in the beautiful Springwood development, and we are doing a revamp of this landscape. So this customer had lots of trees in here, lots of pine trees. When the storm came, it knocked all the trees down, so we had a lot of stumps, which you can see the excavators there pulling out the stumps, and we are just really revamping it. We're replanting trees to give them some privacy. They have crepe myrtles up here. They already had established. We're just gonna continue that pattern all the way around. We're gonna plant some juniper on this bank to give them really good erosion control here. This boulder pile right beside me, we're gonna be using just to stagger in the landscape, make it look really natural and give it that mountain feel. And then along the stitch line, we're gonna dig it back out, put fabric down, and then we're gonna create a dry creek bed to really give the water somewhere to go. On the side of the house, we had some really tall, just overgrown junipers. And so we are cutting those down, and then we're gonna replant some ligustrums in here to give them privacy when they walk out of their garage door. We have edged the beds, give them that really nice edge with our tool. And that way when we put the mulch up, it'll look nice and clean against the grass. On this corner of the bed, we're gonna do the similar idea, plant some more ligustrum on this corner just to kind of shade out what's below us, give them some privacy from the backyard and their outdoor kitchen area. And then one last area of concern was this small bank in the back. So we're gonna create that edge again, and then we're gonna plant some junipers that do well in the shade, and we're gonna mulch it. Again, we're just stopping the erosion here. That way they can have a really nice lawn below it. Our final piece on this whole project is to mulch all of the beds. That way all the mulch matches and it looks completely finished. If you're ready to start your landscape project, contact us at settlemirenursery.com/landscaping.
What's going on, guys? Brandon Settlemire with Settlemire Nursery. We're down here in Springwood in Valdese. Check out this landscape.
We came in here and we replanted this entire berm. Hurricane Helene had ripped down a bunch of trees. And so you can see we went in, we've added some beautiful crepe myrtles. We've got evergreen Carissa hollies. And so just minimal plantings. We'll show you what the front looks like here in just a minute. So guys, on this bank, to make life easier, we brought in our Finn mulch blower. We blew this whole bank. If you're looking for mulch blowing services, check us out at settlemeyernursery.com. Right outside their beautiful outdoor kitchen, they had some erosion issues. We came in here with our Juniper Blue Pacific, planted those 3 feet on center staggered, great part shade evergreen. It'll make a nice cover here for them. Knock that erosion down. So guys, rounding out the corner, we've got Recurvifolium ligustrum. Check out these beauties. 6 to 8 feet tall and wide. It's gonna make a nice hedge here on the corner. It's gonna give them some privacy on their backyard oasis. So right here, we kept it simple. We got rid of those ugly 12-foot tall blue point junipers you saw, replaced them with some recurves. Give them a nice little buffer here between properties. If you're looking for evergreen screens, privacy, look at the recurve. It's a really great one. So here guys, here's the front of our beautiful berm. We came in here with some nice natural accent boulders. We've got our blue rug juniper down here in full sun. We dappled in a few creeping phlox there to give it a little bit of color. And then right here, we had some erosion and some rutting. So we made it look nice with a beautiful dry creek bed. If you're looking for custom landscaping services, settlemeyernursery.com.